Ah, the garden, a place where nature's beauty flourishes, where every petal and leaf tells a story of life and growth, a sanctuary of peace, beauty and tranquility. It's a haven where we can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. But alas, it's also a battleground where pesky little critters munch on your hard work, turning your dream garden into a nightmare. Fear not, fellow gardeners, for a pest-free paradise is within reach. Imagine a garden where every plant thrives, free from the gnawing jaws of pests. Let's ditch those nasty chemicals and invite Mother Nature back into our gardens. Embrace the power of organic pest control, a method that respects the delicate balance of our ecosystem. It's time for some natural pest control, the organic way, a method steeped in tradition and wisdom, passed down through generations of gardeners. We'll explore clever techniques from welcoming helpful insects like ladybugs and lacewings who feast on aphids and other pests, to concocting whiffy but effective repellents using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Garlic, chili and neem oil can work wonders. It's easier than you think. And much kinder to our winged and crawly friends, relocating insects instead of harming them helps maintain the natural balance. So grab your trowels and let's get started. Together we can create a garden that's not only beautiful but also a safe haven for all creatures, big and small. Let's embark on this journey to a pest-free paradise naturally. Now, why bother with natural pest control when a quick spray seems easier? It's a question many gardeners and farmers ask themselves. After all, those chemical sprays promise quick results and an easy fix to pest problems. But let's take a moment to delve deeper into the reasons why going natural is not just a trend, but a necessity. Well, my friends, it's all about working with nature, not against it. When you choose natural pest control, you're embracing a holistic approach to gardening. This means fostering a diverse ecosystem where every creature, from the tiniest insect to the largest plant, plays a crucial role. It's about creating a harmonious environment where nature can thrive. Those chemical pesticides, they don't discriminate. They might kill the pests, but they also harm beneficial insects like bees, ladybugs, and butterflies. These chemicals can seep into the soil, contaminating it and affecting the health of your plants in the long run. Not to mention, they can also pose risks to your health and the health of your family. They wipe out the good guys along with the bad, leaving your garden vulnerable. Without beneficial insects to keep the pest population in check, your garden can quickly become overrun. This can lead to a vicious cycle where you become dependent on chemical solutions, each time needing stronger and more harmful chemicals to achieve the same results. Natural methods, on the other hand, are like a gentle nudge in the right direction. By introducing beneficial insects, using companion planting, and employing organic solutions, you're encouraging a balanced ecosystem. This balance helps to naturally control pest populations, reducing the need for harsh chemicals. They encourage a balanced ecosystem where pests are kept in check naturally. Ladybugs, for example, are voracious eaters of aphids, while praying mantises can take care of larger pests. By fostering a garden that supports these beneficial insects, you're creating a self-sustaining environment. Plus, no harsh chemicals means safer fruits, veggies, and flowers for you and your loved ones. Organic produce is not only better for the environment, but it also tastes better. The absence of chemical residues means you can enjoy your harvest with peace of mind, knowing it's safe and healthy. Mother Nature approves, and so will your taste buds. The flavors of naturally grown produce are often more vibrant and complex, offering a taste experience that's hard to match. So, next time you consider reaching for that chemical spray, remember the benefits of going natural. Your garden, your health, and the planet will thank you. Let's talk about the good guys, the beneficial insects that are every gardener's best friend. Think ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies, those colorful characters you see flitting about. They're like tiny assassins, gobbling up aphids, mites, and other pesky critters. To attract these miniature heroes, plant a diverse range of flowers with bright colors and enticing scents. Dill, fennel, and yarrow are like beacons calling them to your garden buffet. Remember, a happy insect is a hungry insect. Crop rotation, my friends, is like a merry-go-round for your vegetables. It's a simple yet ingenious technique that keeps pests guessing. Every year, switch up the location of your crops. This disrupts the pest's life cycle, making it harder for them to settle in and wreak havoc. For instance, if you planted tomatoes one year, switch to beans or carrots the next. It's like playing hide and seek with those pesky critters, and trust me, they'll get tired of the game soon enough. Stinky but effective natural repellents. Now let's delve into the world of natural repellents, those homemade solutions that might not smell the best but are incredibly effective at keeping pests away from your precious plants. Now let's talk about natural repellents, those concoctions that send pests running for the hills or at least the neighbor's garden. These solutions are not only easy to make but also environmentally friendly, ensuring that your garden remains a safe haven for beneficial insects and plants. Garlic, chili peppers, and even a bit of soap can work wonders. These ingredients are not just for spicing up your meals, they can also be your garden's best friends. The strong scents and natural compounds in these items are highly effective at deterring a wide range of pests. A simple recipe: blend a few cloves of garlic, a chopped chili pepper, and a tablespoon of soap with water. This mixture is potent and can be made in just a few minutes. The garlic and chili peppers release oils that are unpleasant to pests, while the soap helps the mixture stick to the plants. Strain the mixture and spray it on your plants. Make sure to cover both the tops and undersides of the leaves for maximum effectiveness. This natural repellent can be used on a variety of plants, from vegetables to flowers, and is safe for the environment. It might not smell like Chanel No. 5, but it'll keep those critters at bay. The strong odor is a small price to pay for a pest-free garden. Plus, using natural repellents means you won't be introducing harmful chemicals into your garden, making it a healthier place for you and your plants. So next time you're battling pests, consider whipping up a batch of this natural repellent. Your garden will thank you, and you'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're using a safe, effective solution. A party in your garden? Biodiversity rocks. A diverse garden is a happy garden. Planting a variety of plants creates a balanced ecosystem that's less appealing to pests. It's like having a party in your backyard where everyone's invited, except the uninvited pests, of course. Mix things up with companion planting. For instance, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes can deter whiteflies. It's all about creating a harmonious environment where plants work together to keep those pesky critters at bay. Keep it tidy, keep it healthy.
Garden hygiene matters.
A clean garden is a healthy garden. Just like we tidy up our homes, our gardens need a bit of sprucing up too. Remove any fallen leaves or debris, as they can harbor pests and diseases. Regularly prune your plants to improve air circulation, making it less hospitable for those unwanted guests. Remember, a tidy garden is a less inviting target for pests. Ready for a natural pest-free garden? So there you have it, fellow gardeners. Natural pest control is not about waging war, but about creating a harmonious environment where plants and beneficial creatures thrive. By welcoming nature back into our gardens, we can enjoy bountiful harvests and beautiful blooms without resorting to harmful chemicals. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Mother Nature will thank you for it. Join the green revolution. Ready to embrace the natural way? Share your pest control triumphs and hilarious mishaps with us. Join our online community of green-thumbed enthusiasts, where we swap tips, tricks, and perhaps even a few gardening jokes. Let's make our gardens havens for both plants and people. If you like our video, please ensure to subscribe to our channel Garden Pros. Enable the notify button, hit like, share, and comment. Cheers!